let's look at how to set up additional portals for your Dynamics 365 instance. So if I go to the admin.microsoft.com URL, I can then click on Dynamics 365 to get to the Dynamics 365 Administration Center. Now if I click on Applications, I'll be able to see where I've previously configured and set up the portal for the very first time. So if you come in here and you see the portal add-on and it's not configured, you're going to need to configure it first, and you can see one of the other videos that I've done that will show how to do that. So this is talking about how to set up different options or different types of portals after you've already set up the original one. So if I go back to instances, and then go to the solutions area for my specific instance. If we go to the next set of solutions, let's just move this a little bit so we can see more. So we can see the one that's installed. That's the one that was set up when the portal itself was installed and provisioned. We can see we've got all of these other options, not installed, and so on. Now, even though we've just got one and we've got one portal set up, we can add in other portals. However, you can only point that portal URL to one portal at a time. So if you want to have a partner portal and a customer self-service portal, you would need to purchase an additional portal so that you have two URLs that you can point one URL to partner portal, one to the customer self-service portal. However, you may have set up your first portal and picked the wrong one, or you want to have a look and see what the other ones look like. So you can go ahead and actually set up additional portals. So if I see I've just clicked on the partner portal and I've got the option to install, I just go ahead. There we go. We've got installation pending. So installation pending, and then it will show that it's installing and go through and eventually have the status of installed. So you could go through and do that for all of them if you wanted to, just to have a look around, although there'll be a video for each type of portal so that you can see what each portal actually contains. So you don't have to go through that process, but in theory, you could have every single one of those portals installed. Once the additional portals finished installing, if you go into your Dynamics 365 instance and we go to the portals area, we go to the websites record and you can see all of the different websites that have actually been installed. Again, only the one that you are using your free or the one portal URL that actually comes with your instance, only that one that you're pointing it to is actually going to be the one that will be displayed. So just remember, if you want to use multiple portals and actually have them be displayed, you will need to pay for additional portals from Microsoft.